Land Rover has found a clever way to connect its past and present, and this time, it is all about the Defender. While the original Defender left regular production years ago, Land Rover Classic continues to bring it back to life through the Works Bespoke program. These are not simple restorations. Each vehicle is stripped, rebuilt, and finished to a very high standard, and under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 5-liter V8 with 400 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. It is an old-school shape with serious performance to match its tough image. What makes this latest chapter special is how closely these classic Defenders can now mirror the new Defender Octa. Land Rover will paint the Classic in the same bold colors as its modern performance flagship. Finishes such as Petra Copper, Faroe Green, Sargasso Blue, Narvik Black, Carpathian Grey, and Charente Grey can all be ordered in either a glossy sheen or a satin, more stealthy look. Each one spends roughly 300 hours in the paint shop, which explains why these builds feel closer to coach-built art than simple used trucks. Details are carefully considered. The grille can be finished in glossy black to echo the Octa, and the Defender script on the hood is crafted from chopped carbon fiber. Wheel choices cover 16-inch and 18-inch sizes with multiple designs and finishes, so buyers can lean toward rugged utility or a more refined city style. Inside, you can match the modern Octa upholstery options with fabrics and leathers and shades such as Khaki Green, Light Cloud, Lunar, Burnt Sienna, and Ebony, extending across seats, headliner, door panels, dashboard, and even the steering wheel. Naturally, this level of craftsmanship is not cheap. In the United Kingdom, the new Defender Octa starts around £148,045 before options, while a fully built classic Defender through Works Bespoke can climb to about £190,000. For that money, Land Rover Classic also upgrades the brakes, steering, and suspension to handle the extra power and modern driving expectations.